Hello, my name's Justin Hill and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you that don't know me, I create videos about how you can make a little bit of extra money online, typically in the form of PayPal, crypto, gift cards, vouchers and things like that. Now today this is just a real quick video. It's about an app called McMoney, where basically you earn money for receiving text messages. I haven't reviewed this app before. I've done something similar. So I have got other apps like this, and there are many apps like this. It won't make you rich. It just runs in the background, and every now and again you'll get a message, and you earn a little bit for it. If we have a look down here, there you go. There, McMoney SMS processed. You now have $6.12. It's taken me a while to build up that money, but again, like I say, it just runs in the background, so it's not like you've got to do anything. Right, you have to download it from this web address, cm.com McMoney. I've already got mine installed, and there's the installation process there. There's a bit explaining what is McMoney. By letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your McMoney bank, real money. And a bit more information there. That's the app. Install and earn money. Right, so if we'll come out. Let's go to the app if I can find it. That's the other one there, Control My SMS, that I've actually done a video about, but today we're talking about this one, McMoney. That's loading up. So there you go. Today you've reached the minimum balance needed to donate or cash out. You may also continue saving up if you want. So I'm just going to cash out because this is going to be a payment proof. I need to prove that it works. So I've not done this before, so let's see. Cash out. Pink travel says my PayPal address. Do it again. Cash out. So there you go. I'm going to have to record this in two parts, I think. It says keep an eye on your PayPal account for your earnings. Usually it'll be paid out within a week. And then here it says you can expect your payment today. So let's see how long that takes. Whether it's instant or whether you do have to wait. Oh, an update is available. I haven't updated. Let's look at my earnings. Expected payout date the 10th of June. So I'll have to record the second part of that tomorrow. But I'll put them together so it's one video. Right, I've logged into my PayPal account. Let me just refresh the page just so you can see that. There you go. Let me refresh it again just so you can see it's a genuine page. There you go. And boom, boom, boom. Let's just view all activity. Just so I find the one that I need to prove the payment of McMoney. Been a couple of days ago. Here we go. This one here. 10th of June, payment received. Dear user, thank you for using McMoney. Here's your latest payout. Have a nice weekend. So there you go. Proof of payment. McMoney does pay. Like I said before, it won't make you rich, but once you've set it up, it just runs in the background. You don't have to do anything. And you can get a lot of these apps that are very similar. I've spoken about them before. And obviously any other new ones I come across I'll put on the site as well, and these just run in the background. You get your SMS message, it adds a little bit of money into your account, and then when you reach the payout, you can cash it out. But yeah, so I'm happy with that. Didn't have to do anything really, set it up, it's passive. And yeah, so if you like videos like this, where you can earn some passive money, not having to do a lot, then like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Take care, speak to you soon, peace.